This is Team 6448 self-inspection of the robot.
The person robot is presented at inspection of all mechanisms, including all components of each mechanism, configurations and decorations that will be used on the bot during the competition.
So, our intake system comes down at the beginning of the game in autonomous. This conveyor spins as well as the star on the intake to bring it up into the hopper, which has a servo arm that comes out into the container, which then launches it into the launcher with the spinning wheel. This also is a wobble goal arm, which comes down.
Separately test the robot in all of its unique starting, pre-match setup configurations. The robot fits within the sizing tool without exerting overdue force on the sizing tool sides and top.
Okay, so it starts. Can someone else come film this? So intake starts up like that, and once that is done, everything should be within 18 inches.
So we have length cutting off there. We have height here. And we have width here.
Okay.
Robot motion warning label is attached if servo motors move during the robot initialization.
We don't have any.
We don't have any.
servos that move during initialization.
Right.
Robot does not contain any components that could be that could danger the playing field or other robots.
What?
Sharp edges.
Nothing that can endanger the field or robots.
No, no sharp edges.
Robot does not contain materials that are hazardous.
Nope.
What about that toxic waste we spread all over it?
No toxic waste here.
Robot possesses no obvious unnecessary risks of entanglement.
No.
Robot does not contain sharp edges or corners.
No.
Robot does not contain animal-based liquid or gel materials.
No.
Robot does not contain materials that would cause a delay of game if released.
No.
Robot does not contain elements that electricity ground the robot frame to the playing field.
No.
Robot does not contain closed gas devices.
No.
Robot does not contain hydraulic devices.
No.
Robot does not contain vacuum-based mechanisms.
No.
Team number is visible at least 2 sides and requirements.
1, 2.
Alliance markers are present and meet requirements.
Yes, as seen with team markers.
Energy used by robot stored match shall come only from approved sources.
Yes. One battery is down, goes down in here.
Robot is not capable of launching its own components.
No.
All components on the bot are allowable raw materials and commercial off-the-shelf products.
Yes.
The main power switch is installed properly, labeled, readily accessible, and visible to competition personnel.
Yes. Right there.
All batteries are securely attached to the robot in a location where they will not make direct contact with other robots or the playing field.
Correct.
Exactly 1 robot main battery pack of approval type is on the bot and is properly connected to the main power switch.
Yes.
Well, we don't have one on that currently.
It's not on currently, but it goes right there.
Where present, fuses must not be replaced with fuses of higher rating or originally installed according to manufacturer specifications.
Correct.
Allowed electronic devices are powered by power ports on the rev expansion hub or rev control hub, except as noted in
Yes.
the rev expansion hub and or rev control hub is powered by a robot main battery.
Correct.
Rev spark mini motor controllers are powered by the robot main battery.
Correct.
Allowed sensors may only receive power from the rev expansion hub or rev control hub.
Yes.
Light sources include including LEDs, are not focused or directed in any way, except for the Rev robotics to near distance sensors.
Correct.
Video recording devices, if used, are powered by an internal battery and their wireless communication capabilities turned off.
Yes.
The robot controller Android device, if used, is powered by internal battery or by the built-in charging feature of the Rev extension.
Yes.
Exactly one robot controller Android device plus expansion hub or Rev control hub is required.
Control hub, expansion hub.
The only allowed motor and servo controller are Rev expansion hub and Rev control hub, Rev servo power module, Rev spark mini motor controller, and Vex motor controller 29.
Yes.
Robot contains no more than 8 DC motors of allowed models.
Correct. Rev hex motor, go build a motor. Rev hex motor, 4 go build a motors on the drivetrain. Rev hex motor, 3 for the intake. 4 motors for other things, and then 4 motors for drivetrain.
Robot contains no more than 12 servos. They must be compatible with the attached Rev expansion hub, Rev control hub, Rev servo power module, or Vex motor controller 29.
Yes.
We can point those.
Yeah. 1 servo,
That's it.
and that's it.
2 servos.
Oh, 2 servo. Yes. Right in here.
Robot contains only allowed sensors, and they're connected only to the Rev expansion hub or the Rev controller.
Just the camera.
Power and motor control wires must consistent color coding with different colors used for the positive and negative column.
Yes.
Power, motor control, servo, and sensor wires are the correct size.
Yes.
Electronics are grounded to the robot frame. The only approved method is the Rev robotics resistive grounding strap. If needed, the Rev robotics Anderson power pole to the XT30 adapter may connect the resistive grounding strap.
None of that's on there.
Approved electrical and electronic devices may be modified to make it more usable. They may not be modified internally or any other way.
Nothing is modified.
Robot did not damage the playing field tile.
No.
Okay, that's all.
Okay.
I mean, we can scoot it across just to demonstrate that. No damage here.
No damage. Thank you for tuning into our inspection. Goodbye.